Oh.
Hey, guess what, folks? Close the door. We get to go on an adventure together finally. Rachel's back from the Appalachian Trail, and we're going to go camping on Mother's Day weekend, celebrating my birthday and Mother's Day all in one weekend. So, well, kind of a weekend, near the end of the weekend. But anyway, thanks for joining us. You got anything you want to say?
No, looking forward to being in the woods again.
Yes. Went on a 4-mile hike up to Friendship Falls. That was pretty awesome. Hiked up there with some good friends and just really enjoyed God's creation out here in Utah. And we're spending the night. There's hardly anyone out here at all. And we got a little campfire going up against these rock cliffs. But it's snowing. You can see the snow up in the mountains behind me. And it's snowing a little bit on me behind me, but I'm kind of tucked up under here underneath a rock. Matter of fact, I'm going to switch the camera point of view and show you. That is directly above me. So I'm a little bit protected from the snow. And anyway, we're enjoying our time. Just had a wonderful dinner. It's kind of an easy, quick dinner. Some chicken quesadillas. Justin B. McBride, I watch his YouTube channels, and he's always cooking up some chicken quesadillas. So they look pretty good. We tried them out, quick and easy, and it was nice. Tomorrow, if the weather's good enough, I'm going to make me some coffee with my French press and maybe get some bacon and eggs. We wanted to put up a canopy to give us a little bit of shelter from the rain while we're cooking and stuff, but the wind was howling. It was unbelievable. But anyhow, we'll see you in the morning and see where our adventures take us tomorrow.